How to treat urinary incontinence nature's way. Did you just type in how to stop urinary incontinence? Perhaps you are suffering from stress or overflow urinary incontinence. You're in the right place. Whatever the case, these sudden urges to look for a bathroom while in meetings or traveling makes life difficult, to say the least. Did you know that in the US, 50% of men have prostate issues when they reach the age of 40, and that in some regions of Southeast Asia, only 3 to 4% have this problem, and contrary to what most couples think, it has nothing to do with age. No, not your age. Researchers have just discovered the root cause of urinary incontinence in men. Recent breakthroughs have identified the true root cause, a hidden red clog inside your prostate. This cellular blockage is caused by a condition called stromal cell proliferation, where dead cells accumulate due to reduced blood flow and toxin buildup. Dr. Lee introduced an ancient formula used by men in Southeast Asia regions for generations. This natural juice formula is designed to dissolve the cellular buildup in your prostate, soothe inflammation and improve circulation, and restore prostate metabolism to shrink it naturally. Andrew Ellis, a renowned medical researcher and specialist in men's health, has created a natural supplement that thousands of men have adopted with success. If you're wondering how to fix urinary incontinence nature's way, look no further. Andrew Ellis has a detailed video with the 3 steps to solve this common prostate problem, with carefully sourced plants that can also make a significant difference in your couple's love life. You will be able to relate to the heartfelt testimonials. It's time to pay attention to this natural urinary incontinence treatment with no side effects. Watch the video to the end and decide if you would rather treat the root cause or only the symptoms. The link to the video is in the description below. No more stress from urinary overflow. Watch the video now.